Hello, I'm Judith Henry and welcome to my design studio. I'm here today to demonstrate how to put together the Kleenex boxes that is part of my 2021 Valentine collection. It's probably the simplest in the collection to put together. It has the box piece. The Kleenex box actually fits inside the box. And so the method I'm using this year on my videos is that I show you the pieces I'm going to put together, give you a little video hands-on of how I do it, give you some suggestions on products that I use. That's up to you whether or not you want to use them or not. You know your comfort levels. So let's get started putting this one together.
There are two small Kleenex box designs included in the cutting files. One pattern has large roses and is easy to cut. The other has smaller roses and is still easy to cut, but requires more time to weed out the pieces. Use all pattern pieces with the same size as shown, or alternate sizes for a third type of box, which is not shown here. The cardstock I prefer to use is AC cardstock. There is a new product called Precision, which was designed specifically for cutting machines. The colors I chose are in the pastel textured Precision cardstock package. I also use adhesive glue and double-sided adhesive tape for construction. Today I'm using a Zig Memory System two-way glue. It's probably not the best glue to use for this project. It is applied as a blue color, which indicates it is a permanent bond. If it dries and becomes clear, it then is a removable bond. For this project, it did not completely make a permanent bond. I probably should have used some liquid glue. That bonds better with paper. Or I could have just worked faster. Repeat this on the remaining three side pieces and the top piece. Make sure you know which side goes together. The top piece is not symmetrical. The box has score lines to indicate the fold lines. You can score with your cutting machine. In the Cameo, there is a setting for this function. It is called a kiss cut. Set your blade at 1 and use a low pressure. I like to set my edges using a scoreboard, fold and set with a bone folder, and then repeat on the second side. Now all you need to do is make nice creases on all your folds and follow the video to know how to put the box pieces together. Remember that the top is glued shut and the bottom piece is left open and there's a thumb tab so that you can open the box up to put in your Kleenex box. So add double-sided tape on the flaps that are going to be glued down. Now that's all that's needed to finish this up is to place the patterns pieces on each side and glue them down. The top piece allows the Kleenex to come up through the top, and the bottom piece has the thumb hole so that you can put the box in. There's the large yellow roses, and this is the smaller pink rose. Check out the other designs in the collection, and notice there are also other Valentine cards within my products. Thanks for watching.